Hi, I'm the Toy Mom, and today we are going to open 5 surprise eggs. We have a Princess Egg, a Choco Spiderman Egg, Hello Kitty, Minnie Mouse, and a Kinder Joy. Here's our Princess Egg. Let's start with this one. You get a sticker with 3 princesses on it, candy, and here's our prize. It's a ring with a coach on it. Nice. Here is the flyer showing what else you can get with this egg. Now let's open the Spider-Man Choco Treasure Egg. It has a hard plastic outside. Here's the brochure for this egg. And it looks like we have a top. Yep. And it works. Very good. Next, Hello Kitty. Wow, that's a pretty big bag of candy. And here are some stickers. Now, let's open Minnie Mouse. Milk chocolate. And here is Minnie in mini pieces. Here's stickers for her eyes. There's the brochure that comes with this egg. And here's our Minnie put together. Isn't that cute? She even has that little purse. Time for Kinder Joy. Let's see what's on this side. This is the side with the toy. Oh, it's a truck. And this shows us how to put it together. And on this side's the candy, and the white piece here is the spoon. Yum. Look at the truck after you put it together. It's not just a truck, it's a dump truck. I put some chocolate inside here, and it actually goes back and forth, and we can dump chocolate. That's cute. There it goes. Well, here's everything we got today. We got candy, toys, and stickers. Thanks for watching. Now you can watch another one of my surprise egg videos or one of my friends' videos. Our pictures are always in the corner. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.